Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best bike repair tools to keep your ride smooth and stress-free. Whether you're fixing a flat or tuning up your chain, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Deemount Bike Repair Tools. The Deemount Bike Repair Tool is a smart, all-in-one solution that every cyclist should carry on their rides. With 13 different functions packed into one compact piece, it handles a wide variety of bicycle service needs so you can fix issues quickly without hauling around a full toolbox. Made from high-quality choice steel with electroplating and heat treatment, this tool is built for long service life and stands up to regular use on the road or trail. The CRV steel keys are well cut and precisely machined for easy engagement with bolts and fasteners, giving you accurate and reliable performance every time you need them. You will appreciate how smoothly they fit and turn without slipping or stripping, which makes roadside adjustments much less frustrating. The compact pocket-sized design keeps everything lightweight and easy to carry in your jersey pocket, saddle bag, or hydration pack. It feels robust enough for real work despite its small footprint, so you get the strength you need without the bulk. Whether you are tightening loose components, adjusting brakes, or handling common maintenance tasks, the various bolt driver keys cover most standard sizes and deliver consistent results. A nice detail is that you can use a 3mm hex key to tighten or loosen parts of the tool itself, which adds extra versatility when you want to customize or maintain it over time. The electroplated finish helps resist corrosion and keeps the tool looking clean even after exposure to sweat, dirt, or light rain. Overall, the Deemount Bike Repair Tool combines thoughtful engineering with practical durability in a super portable package. Its multiple functions, high-quality materials, and easy-to-carry size make it an essential companion that gives you confidence to ride farther and handle little problems as they come up. You will reach for it again and again on every adventure. Coming in at number 4, we have the EasyDo Bike Repair Tools. The EasyDo Bike Repair Tools set gives you a complete collection of essential bike maintenance gear packed into one smart, portable kit that makes fixing your ride quick and hassle-free. This handy multi-tool set includes a T25 wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and slotted screwdriver for handling all kinds of bolts and screws you encounter on modern bikes. For hex fasteners, you get a full range of Allen wrenches in 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 millimeters, plus dedicated 8, 9, and 10 millimeter hex wrenches. These cover nearly every adjustment on brakes, derailleurs, stems, and seat posts, so you can tighten things up or make precise tweaks without hunting for missing sizes. There are also 0, 1, and 2 wire wrenches, perfect for truing your wheels and adjusting spokes to keep everything rolling smooth and straight. When it comes to bigger jobs, the chain driver makes removing and installing chains straightforward, while the chain stabilizing shackle holds everything steady during the process. This tool shines especially well for changing the bike chain, turning what used to be a frustrating task into something simple and reliable. You also get a sturdy tire lever that helps you remove and reinstall tires without damaging rims or tubes, whether you are dealing with a flat on the trail or at home. The EasyDo Bike Repair Tools feature stainless treatment on all pieces for excellent corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability, even if you ride in wet or muddy conditions. The entire combination stays compact and easy to carry, fitting neatly into a saddle bag or backpack so you always have the right tool when you need it most. Everything stores together efficiently, giving you multiple functions without clutter or extra weight. The thoughtful design of this EasyDo set means you can tackle minor repairs and adjustments on the spot, saving time and keeping your rides going strong. From quick break fixes to full chain swaps, these tools deliver real versatility and solid build quality that serious cyclists and casual riders both appreciate. The stainless construction keeps them looking and working great ride after ride, making maintenance feel less like a chore and more like part of the fun. At number 3, the Deemount Bike Repair Tools. The Deemount Bike Repair Tool Kit is a versatile 14-in-1 multifunctional set that handles most maintenance jobs right on the spot. This alloy steel maintenance tool set feels solid and well-built, making it a reliable companion for fixing issues during rides or at home without needing a full workshop. You get a great selection of tools in one compact package, including a cross screwdriver that works smoothly on common bolts and fittings. The included chain cutter is a real standout feature that lets you quickly shorten or repair your bike chain with clean, precise cuts, saving you time and frustration when a chain problem pops up. The whole kit uses high-quality alloy steel construction that stands up well to regular use, with heat treatment for added strength and durability over the long term. Every tool in the set is thoughtfully designed for easy engagement, with well-cut edges that fit securely and reduce the chance of slipping or damaging parts. This makes everyday tasks like tightening screws, adjusting components, or handling brake and derailleur work feel much more straightforward and efficient. The compact shape keeps everything pocket-sized and lightweight, so you can toss it in your bag or jersey pocket and barely notice it is there until you need it. Whether you are out on a long ride and need a quick fix or doing basic upkeep at home, the Deemount Bike Repair Tool Kit covers a wide range of needs in one handy package. Its robust alloy steel build and multiple functions give you confidence to tackle unexpected problems without worry. The tools are arranged for quick access, and the overall design emphasizes practicality and long service life, with nice finishes that resist corrosion from sweat or light weather exposure. Overall, the Deemount Bike Repair Tool Kit brings together 14 useful functions, strong alloy steel materials, a handy chain cutter, and a cross screwdriver into one portable solution. It is the kind of smart, dependable gear that makes cycling smoother and less stressful, letting you focus more on enjoying the ride and less on worrying about small mechanical issues. Mix Rick though. In the second spot, we have the Rockbros Bike Repair Tools. The Rockbros Bike Repair Tools bring smart engineering and everyday practicality that make on-the-go fixes and adjustments feel effortless and reliable. This versatile set stands out right away with its two-way ratchet system that lets you adjust the fastening direction exactly as needed, so you can work quickly and conveniently whether you are tightening bolts in tight spaces or loosening parts without flipping the tool around constantly. The strong magnetic adsorption is a game changer here. It keeps bits and tools firmly in place so they do not fall off easily, even when you are working on your bike in awkward positions or out on the trail. Thanks to the magnetic adsorption, disassembly and assembly happen fast and smooth, saving you time and frustration during quick repairs. On top of that, the double fixation design combines a built-in magnet with a groove system that prevents any accidental release, giving you extra security and peace of mind while you focus on the job. Rockbros made this tool set incredibly user-friendly for real riders. The thoughtful construction ensures everything stays secure, yet releases quickly when you need it, making maintenance tasks like brake adjustments, stem tightening, or pedal swaps much less of a hassle. Whether you are dealing with a roadside issue or doing a full tune-up at home, the reliable hold and smooth ratcheting action help you get things done faster and with better precision. To top it all off, the set comes with an exclusive storage bag that keeps everything organized and protected. This makes the Rockbros Bike Repair Tools super easy to carry in your saddlebag, backpack, or jersey pocket, so you always have the right tool ready without any bulk or mess. The compact design and durable materials mean the whole kit travels well and stays in great shape through dust, bumps, and regular use. From the clever magnetic features to the flexible ratchet and handy storage, every detail in these Rockbros Bike Repair Tools is built to support cyclists who want practical solutions that actually work when it matters. They turn potential headaches into simple, straightforward tasks so you can spend more time enjoying your ride and less time worrying about equipment issues. The solid build and smart functionality make this set a valuable companion for both casual spins and serious adventures. And finally, at number 1, we have the West Biking Bike Repair Tools. The West Biking Bike Repair Tools give you a smart portable ratchet wrench toolkit that handles all sorts of fixes with ease. This multifunctional set feels like a mini workshop in your pocket, perfect for everyday maintenance or quick emergency repairs when something goes wrong on the road or trail. What makes it really practical is how versatile it is. Whether you are adjusting components at home or dealing with an unexpected issue during a ride, the West Biking Bike Repair Tools cover a wide range of needs so you stay prepared without carrying bulky gear. The user-friendly design allows quick assembly and hassle-free tool changes, meaning you can switch bits and get to work in seconds instead of wasting time fiddling around. One of the best parts is the reversible ratchet head with its dual direction capability. You can switch between directions smoothly and effortlessly, which boosts your efficiency and makes tightening or loosening bolts much easier and faster, especially in tight spots on your bike. Inside the set, you get 10 alloy steel bits that cover most daily applications and different screw types you will encounter on modern bikes. These bits are strong and well-made, giving you reliable performance for brakes, derailleurs, stems, and other common components without stripping or slipping. The whole kit is compact and foldable, so it takes up almost no space in your saddlebag, jersey pocket, or backpack. This makes it ideal for city commutes or long trips where every gram counts and you want to keep things light. The solid construction ensures durability, while the thoughtful layout keeps everything organized and ready when you need it most. Overall, the West Biking Bike Repair Tools combine smart versatility, smooth ratchet action, and excellent portability into one dependable package. Its quick assembly, wide bit selection, and foldable design make roadside fixes and regular maintenance feel simple and stress-free, so you can spend more time enjoying your ride and less time worrying about tools. Ready to upgrade your bike toolkit? Check the price link in the description and make sure you like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome reviews and top picks.